Good morning. Local news for Friday the 2nd of June. The Friends of Anorchy Spit and Dark are planting more trees and releasing existing plants at Anorchy Spit today from 10 a.m. And another 2 plantings are all set to take place as well ahead of Arbor Day. On tomorrow morning, there's a planting day at the Dunes Restoration south of Riversdale Surf Lifesaving Club at 9 a.m. And at 1 p.m. on Sunday, the Gladstone Complex Committee is planting 150 plants by the bank on the complex grounds. A Masterton Secondary School's use of an alternative to the traditional punitive responses to wrongdoing is continuing to win support of Trust House. Restorative justice is based on the idea that a pupil needs to take responsibility for his or her actions. It was introduced at Makolta College in 2010 with the support of funding from community-owned Trust House. The funding has continued ever since with a recent grant of $16,700 for a restorative justice facilitator, bringing the total from Trust House to around $120,000. Makolta Principal Paul Green says having Trust House's substantial contribution roll over each year is the difference between being able to have a restorative justice facilitator and not. And in sport, the Ferriers Wairarapa Bush head away this weekend to play Hawke's Bay Saracens on Monday, meaning no Premier Club rugby. However, the senior reserves continue, and the 2 unbeaten sides, Masterton Red Star and Martinborough, will be the game of the round, going head-to-head together on the turf tomorrow at 2:30.